Hi guys, kindly hit the subscribe button and notification bell to get recent updates on the cryptocurrency markets. It's another video and we are glad to have you once again. Without any further, let's get started. If you're in the gold investment generally looking to profit, whether in the long or short term. If not, you're at least trying to hedge the economy. However, you might hesitate to decide when to sell the assets. Fortunately, we've put together a guide to figure out the best time to sell gold coins for cash or other types of the metal. 1. If you need the money. This one might seem simple, but it's true. If you find yourself in need of emergency funds, it's probably time to sell your gold. Generally, since gold is a pretty stable asset, your funds will probably be similar to what you put in and may even be higher. The point is, if you need money, sell your gold. You can always buy more later when you figure out your financial situation. 2. Gold is priced quite high. If gold is at a significant high for some reason, you should take advantage of that. Profit is the reason you're investing in gold in the first place, no? Of course, look at the asset's recent price charts before deciding. But remember, what goes up must eventually come down. Try and sell around the peak, make your profit, then buy back in once the asset drops again. 3. Making a big investment. If you're putting a down payment on a house or investing in a car, there will undoubtedly be hidden fees and the like. You'll want some extra funding to prevent being surprised. If it seems smart, sell some of your gold to gather more money. That way, you can afford anything that comes your way. Even if other fees are lower than you'd expect, you can always invest the extra money in gold. Consider any big money moves happening in your life and decide for yourself. 4. Economy is failing. This might be similar to the previous step, but there are a few other things to consider. The price of gold will likely be high if the economy is failing, considering investors are trying to protect their funds from inflation. You might be one of those investors. But you might not want to sell it all. If the economy is doing poorly, but you only need a little extra money, simply sell your gold as time goes on. There's no need to sell it all at once. Create a trading strategy surrounding your gold sales, and go from there. But you might not want to sell it all. If the economy is doing poorly, but you only need a little extra money, simply sell your gold as time goes on. There's no need to sell it all at once. Create a trading strategy surrounding your gold sales, and go from there. 5. Storage is too expensive. Sometimes, you might run out of storage for your gold, especially if you hold physical bullion. This could mean you need an extra safe or pay more to a third-party storage solution. Either way, you might want to consider selling some of your metal. Otherwise, you'll be paying even more to simply store the assets. It's usually much better to simply sell and keep a solid amount of gold that doesn't cost too much. 6. Dow Gold Ratio. The Dow Gold Ratio is an interesting indicator that tells how many shares of the Dow one can buy with gold. If the ratio is a high number, that means stock prices are high, and gold is low in comparison. Lower numbers mean the opposite. Of course, you'll want to sell if the Dow Gold Ratio is at a low number. This means gold is at a high price, and it's a perfect time to profit off of your precious metal investments. 7. Everyone is talking about it. Finally, you'll especially want to sell your gold if everyone is talking about it. If everyone is discussing their gold investments, that generally means the price is about to skyrocket. It already has due to all of the money being put in some cases. You want to be ahead of this curve, which is entirely possible. So if you hear people talking about gold, watch the price and get ready to sell. Disclaimer. The views and opinions expressed by me, or any people mentioned in this video, are for informational purposes only, and they do not constitute financial and investment advice. Investing in or trading crypto assets comes with a risk of financial loss. Always do your own research. Thank you for staying with us. We'll see you in the next videos. Don't forget to click subscribe button to subscribe to my channel for the next update.